Part 3. All right, so right here we're going to use the potentiometer. So this is the one sensor that rotates. It says turn the LED light on when the potentiometer rotates to over 50%. Turn off the LED and spin the left motor forward at 50%. Velocity for 3.5 seconds. Okay, so here is some code down here. All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to take out all this code right now. Okay, first thing we want to do is optical 9. Right, so with that optical, basically it has a light on there. See what options there are. It says set light state. State on. Right, so next part is we're going to have a wait until potentiometer angle is greater than 50%. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Wait until, and it's the expression is all right, so what I want to happen here is the potentiometer angle degrees. We're actually going to go ahead and say percent for this. It's basically giving a reading. It's going to say the potentiometer angles. It's going to give me a sense back. So every time I turn my potentiometer, it's going to tell me 100, 0, 50, 75. So this is a percent. So basically, lowest is 100, highest is highest is 100, lowest is 0, and I want it to be greater than. We're going to have the optical light turned off. We're going to have motor 10, velocity set to 50. I'm going to have, and that's percent. I have motor spin forward. Wait 5 seconds. A motor turn off. All right, so I had to change around a couple things on here. So set velocity, this one was just velocity. I had to change that around, and then I got an error saying that this is not reading it correctly, so I had to put some spaces in there, and it looks like it works right now. Let's download it, and let's run it. Okay, here we go. Let's run this. All right, so LED's lights on. I'm gonna go over to potentiometer. It's already at 0, so I'm gonna twist it. Light turns off, motor turns on for 3.5 seconds, and then stops. Looks like it's doing well. Okay, remember, go over it and save as, and this is gonna be 3.3 part 3. 3.1.3 part 3. And press save, and you're gonna submit me a screenshot of this code down here. Actually, you have to change around some things. This is part 3. You're going to change around to what happened in here.